I'm gonna play a song that's making a lot of South Africans cry. This one is making us cry. Hey. This one is making us cry. You've got Mahu on the song. And of course, you've got the incredible jazz works and Tukutela, of course. It's called Uzizwa Kanjani. What is this song about, actually? Do you guys want to explain what it's about? Like when Mahu was kind of writing it and you guys were putting it together, what is the message?
Uzizwa Kanjani, like it's ingoma ya wonke umuntu though. Kuya ngawo ukuthi uyithatha kanjani, but give me, it's a personal song.
Yeah.
Like uzizwa kanjani ngakwenzani, like it's so personal though.
Yeah.
Omunye umuntu angafila ukuthi okay ubani wangishiya udalo wangishiya
Twana ne ba hate.
hello
Abantu yetsa nje
Okay.
ngathi mangibuka nje ngathi mfana kuningi
And a rewind.
manje mfana ungishaya ngamakhotha mnandi.
Okay, uyabalabala. Let's get to it. Okay, so he was hurt, guys. He was hurt, and he felt like
Uzizwa sonke sikhanda.
yazi nami ngi-hurt and lo siso kuhethile angikho right ngayo. Sisi ngicela ulungise izinto. Please.
Take your
It's
bags.
Mahu Tukutela and Jazz Works with Uzizwa Kanjani on Metro. We're wrapping up Table for 3. When we come back, we'll find out what the plan is for the rest of the year. Literally the best art